Hi guys, my name is Anita. Welcome to my channel. This is my first video and I will be making it very special because I'll be doing one of my favorite things, my most signature brows. If you would love to see how I achieve my signature brows, keep on watching. So I'll be using this pencil I got, Beauty Line by Didi. She only has one shade and I'm pretty sure it can be used on all skin tone since it's dark brown, so I can use that for my skin tone. Hopefully I like it. So first off, I will be brushing up my brows. So usually I brush upwards first into the side. Then right after, I will use the same pencil and draw slight strokes under my brow, very lightly. So my trick is I don't like shaking, or I'm usually very stiff, so I don't make a mistake, or so I can get like a proportioned, accurate line. I mean, it really doesn't matter because you're still going to clean it at the end of the day. Some fallouts or some imperfect lines, but that's how I do it. I don't shake. I'm like literally stiff when I'm drawing my brows. I don't know why I can't stop smiling. Anyway, after drawing the bottom of my brow, I start off from the middle of my top brow and I connect it all the way to the tail. And then I go in and fill in very lightly. Just strokes. And then I walk it all the way to the front. So gradually, when I come all the way to the front, I start by brushing again, just in case. Then I slightly draw some strokes. Very lightly, please, because usually I like my brows looking so natural, so it doesn't look like a tattooed brow. Why do I say so? I say too much so. So literally I am so again. And then if there's any line or imperfect hole I can see, I just fill in. I go back and fill in gradually. Not so hard. Perfect. All done. So I'm going to do the same thing I did on this brow on the other one. Next, I will be going in with the concealer. I usually use a shade lighter than my skin tone, one shade lighter than my skin tone under my brow bone. Usually I don't conceal the top of my brows, but if I'm going to have to do that, I will use a shade of my own skin tone. I will be using the NARS concealer in Light 75. And to apply my concealer under my brow bone, I'll be using the Nubian brush, flat brush. It has no number. It's very perfect because I could get my product very accurate. So usually I start off by applying my product in the middle of my brow bone, and I walk it all the way to the end of my brow, and then I blend all the way. So I blend all the way. Pat here. I could also blend with my brush if I want to, just how I feel. And today I'm blending with my brush and my finger. I'll be doing the same thing on this brow on my other brow. As you can see, I'm all done with my brows, but that's not the final thing. I'm usually asked how I get to make my brows look so natural. The reason is I tint my brows. Now I go in and tint my brow with this MAC tint, Girl Boy MAC tint. I am going to use that, and it kind of has a, you know, like a brown, very light brown color to it. I will use the spoolie and go over my brows again, very lightly, just to brush it up into the side as well. And that's it. Well done. I will do the rest of my makeup off camera and I'll be back. I'm back. I hope you enjoyed my video. I enjoyed filming this little mini tutorial on my signature brows, and it was interesting. You learned a lot. If you would love to continue watching my video, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.